Hey, I'm Andy Thompson with Cedar Siding Repair, and today we're going to be doing some shingle repairs on 24-inch Western Red cedar shingles, one of the most popular siding products for homes, usually between 70 and 120 years old. Western Red cedar shingles are probably on your house if your house is of that age. So whether it's a Cape Cod craftsman style home, any kind of historic home, you probably have Western Red cedar shingles, and we'd love to help you fix those. So watch this video so we can show you how we fix and repair homes just like yours every day. So we are doing this wall of prime shingles all the way through here. So these are 24-inch R&R sanded, primed on all sides, front and back. So these are going out, and then these are going to get solid stained when we're done. We're about 1 day away from finishing this wall. So woven corners, reflashing, a couple new window sills, all new window trim. So it's been a nice job for these folks. And we put a couple of shingles on here raw, just so we can show you guys how we do replacement shingles. So not everybody needs their entire wall of shingles to be fully taken off and replaced. Some people just need 10 to 50 shingles repaired, and just within the existing shingles. So we're going to show you how to do that. So get your pry bar, just like this. Just loosen it up, okay? I'm not trying to move a lot. I'm just loosening up just a little bit. So I can hear the shingle coming loose. Pull it down, okay? Again, nail here, nail here, nail here, nail here, okay? You can see how much coverage these shingles have. Here, those lines, that's the overlap. So cedar shingles don't really leak. This is why. Get your nail puller here. Let's see where our nails are. I like pulling them out. And then just a little bit, okay? If you don't want to pull them out, you can get a nail cutter. We recommend a nail puller. Okay, nails are out. This to me looks like a pretty good fit. Look at that, it's a perfect fit right in there. So, shingle's gonna go in, just like so. Let me get my nails here. Again, these are 1.5 inch stainless steel, smooth shank, common nails. Some people call them cedar shingle nails. Okay, just like that. So, I'm gonna bury those just a little bit deeper. Notice how the head of that nail is going up at an angle. Just like that, okay? I'm gonna get my pry bar under here. Again, I'm not using lots and lots of pressure, okay? That's just a very mild amount of pressure. I'm gonna put my block under here. We're gonna hit that up about 1/4 inch at a time. And that's gonna bring those nails flush to the surface. Just like that. Remove my pry bar. I gotta find my nails under here. It's right here. Just like that. I'm gonna find my nail under here. Just like that, okay? So, whether you need a whole wall of cedar shingles replaced or you just need some repair work done, let us know. We service the entire state of Ohio and Indiana, and if you live out of state, if you live somewhere in the Midwest and you have a project like this, let us know and we will absolutely consider it as a part of our lineup. So, hey, thanks for watching our videos, guys. Take care.